Earlier this week, I submitted a sample for the COVID-19 test. The result came in this evening, and I regret to say that it is positive. According to the protocols for managing COVID-19, I'm in self-isolation as required by the case management guidelines issued by the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. That is for someone that is showing no symptoms. I wish to appeal to the people of Kaduna State to continue to closely observe the preventive measures already announced by our government. It is most important that everyone should do their utmost to stay safe, stay home, and stay alive. The Deputy Governor is in charge of our task force on COVID-19 and will continue to issue statements from time to time. Thank you very much.